Good day, Botswana and the universe. My name is Utlwanang Matibini, proudly Kalanga, with my bloodline tracing back to Mowana, Tsamaya, Mambwe, and Singawe villages. I am a media professional, founder of a Christian beauty pageant, a beauty pageant coach, as well as founder of Mother of Pearl, a women empowerment initiative founded on one simple rule, which is every woman carries in them a purpose waiting to be discovered. I believe that if you know what breaks your heart, you know what purpose you should serve. Therefore, my journey has always been to uplift, empower, and create meaningful impact within my community. Now, there's one thing that I want my fellow countrymen to remember me by is that in everything that I do, whether through Mother of Pearl or pageantry, I am driven by the desire to leave people better than I found them. As a Miss Universe Botswana hopeful, I want to use this platform to share Botswana's story beyond our diamonds. I want the universe to discover our people, our culture, our creativity, our agriculture, and our greatest resource, which is our human resource, of course. I want to inspire young men and young women to believe that their dreams and diverse talents can contribute to nation building through innovation, entrepreneurship, and service. Now, what makes my story unique is not that I have all the answers. It is simply because I choose to turn my passion into purpose and service. I don't just want to wear a crown. I want to instill hope while representing the 2.5 million stories of the citizens of the blue, black, and white nation on the universal platform. Thank you.